Let's make some lunch for my kids. You guys, I will be headlining the first ever FoodieCon event in Miami. It's Saturday, February 25th. It's the first of its kind celebration of the most influential content creators in the food and beverage community. I'm going to be on stage hosting a bento battle with some of my friends. I'll be doing meet and greets and also speaking on a panel. So come see me. I would love to hug you guys in person. And now back to this lunch. I am making a Miami-themed poolside lunch. I'm making ahi nachos with some eel sauce and some spicy mayo. I'm cutting up some of the toppings, green onions, and a few slices of jalapenos. Next, I'm cutting up some pineapple into thick slices and then into triangles. Just cut the tips off because it's super chewy. Now I'm taking a food pick and adding some maraschino cherries. Some Takis for that Miami heat. Lastly, a key lime pie. Now for the note I'm writing, see you guys in Miami!